Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful petal flower. If this is something you would love to learn, make sure you stick around till the end of the video. To make this petal flower, you need to get a piece of paper and you're going to fold it into two like this. And the next thing you will do is to get the height of the flower. For me, I'll be using the height of 5 inches. If you want yours to be higher, you can use more than that. So after that, I'm going to be getting the midpoint of that 5 inches, which is 2.5 inches. And the width of my flower is going to be 1.5 inches. So I'm going to mark that 1.5 inches on the height of the flower and also at the midpoint, okay? Then I'm going to connect the 2 points together just as you can see on your screen. And from that point there, I'm going to be making a curve to the edge like this, okay? And then I'm going to use my free hand to smooth that part out. And that's basically all for the drafting of this pattern. So I will go in with my scissors and then I'm going to cut out the pattern. So after cutting, this is what your pattern should look like. The next thing is to cut this on your fabric, okay? So this flower we are trying to recreate has 5 of it, and for each one we are going to be cutting 2 pieces each. So the fabric is also going to serve as the lining and the actual fabric. So I'm going to cut 10 pieces in total at the end of the day. So I'm going to cut that now and then show us what they look like. So after cutting, this is what I have. I cut out 2 pieces each for the petal. The fabric is going to serve as the lining as well. So all you just need to do is stitch it around as I'm demonstrating, leaving only the straight part to turn it out. So this is what I have after stitching. I turn it out and I also gave it a very good press. So this is what yours should look like if you follow the steps correctly. Now to form the petal, you're going to need your needle and thread, and then you're going to start making a loose stitch on each of the petal like this. Once you are done with one, take the second one and start joining to form something on a straight line. And after doing that for all of them, you're going to take the last one and join it to the first one you started with. I don't know if you understand, but in case you did not understand what I'm saying, you can just watch this video and follow what you're seeing on the screen. It's quite simple. So after joining all of them together, you're going to use your hand to arrange them to form the petal, just as you can see me do on the screen like this. So make sure you take your time to arrange this properly. Make sure the gathers are like very tight, and then insert the last one into the first one you started with. If this makes sense, just watch what I'm doing on the screen, and then you are going to secure that with a knot. Now to cover the middle, as we saw on the thumbnail, they used a cover button. So we're going to make a cover button now, and then I'm going to use my needle and thread to untack that as well on the petal to cover this hole at the middle. And this is basically all for this tutorial. You can attach this to any part of the dress that you're making. So if you enjoyed this video and you gain value from it, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already, and turn on post notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.